Before buying a belt sander for knife making, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But real buyers are definitely talking about it. Not all sanders are created equal, and the right one can make or break your project.
Product number 1, Bliss Thrill Mini Belt Sander. Let's kick things off with the Bliss Thrill Mini Belt Sander. Priced at $39.99, this little machine caught my attention with its compact design and adjustable speeds. If you want a mini sander that packs a punch for knife sharpening, this is worth a serious look. What stands out here is its high-powered motor, which runs from 4,000 to 9,000 RPM. This means you can easily switch between fine polishing and heavy grinding, which is exactly what you need when working on different knife materials. Plus, with 30 sanding belts included, you won't be left scrambling for the right grit when working on various projects. Now, here's the thing. Some users have reported that the power adapter can be finicky if not securely connected. But honestly, once you get it set up right, it performs beautifully. So if you're someone who appreciates a compact tool that can handle a range of tasks, this one might be your best bet. This is perfect for you if you're starting out in knife making or need something portable. Skip this one if you're looking for a heavy-duty sander that can handle professional-grade projects. For under $40, it's a solid option for beginners. Now, if the limited power adapter issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a more robust setup.
Product number 2, Vevor Belt Grinder Sander. The Vevor Belt Grinder Sander priced at $209.90. This machine boasts a powerful 550-watt motor, which really caught my attention. If you want something that delivers serious grinding power, this one deserves your attention. The variable speed control is a huge plus, letting you adjust the speed depending on whether you need coarse or fine sanding. The belt line speed of 26 meters per minute means you can tackle your projects efficiently without worrying about overheating. Plus, it comes with 3 different grit sanding belts, 100, 180, and 240, so you'll have the right tools at your disposal. However, some users have pointed out that the assembly instructions could be clearer. Here's the thing though, once you get it put together, it performs like a champ, making it a solid choice for anyone serious about knife making. This is a great choice if you want something that combines versatility with power. Skip this one if you're looking for a budget-friendly option since it's on the pricier side, but the performance is well worth it. Alright, that was a powerful option, but the next product on my list might actually be even better for versatility.
Product number 3, Gold Sand Belt Sander. Let's talk about the Gold Sand Belt Sander, retailing at $179.99. This one caught my eye with its dual grinding modes and sturdy build. If you're looking for flexibility in your sanding, you should definitely check this out. Like the Vevor, it features a strong 550-watt motor at 5,500 RPM, ensuring you get a smooth grinding experience. What's unique about this model is its ability to switch between vertical and horizontal positions, which can really enhance your workflow. Additionally, the 3 included sanding belts cover a range of grits from coarse to fine, providing you with everything you need. However, some users did mention that the vibration can be a bit much during extended use. But honestly, if you're working on a project that requires precision, this sander's benefits far outweigh that minor issue. This is perfect for anyone who needs a versatile tool for different applications. Skip this if you only want a basic sander, as it's a bit more advanced and comes with a learning curve. For $180, you're getting solid value for a well-built machine. Now, if the vibration issue concerns you, the next product might just be the solution you need.
Product number 4, Wen Benchtop Sander. We have the Wen Benchtop Belt and Disc Sander for $90.55. This caught my eye because it combines both a belt and a disc sander in one, which is super handy. If you want a dual-purpose machine that won't break the bank, this is worth considering. The 2.3A motor can handle up to 3160 FPM on the belt, which is quite impressive. The heavy-duty base keeps it stable, so you won't have to worry about it wobbling during operation. Plus, the additional dust ports make cleanup a breeze, which is always a plus when working in a shop. However, some users have complained about the belt slipping during heavy use. Here's my take. As long as you're mindful of how much pressure you apply, it's a reliable option for a variety of projects. This is perfect for DIY enthusiasts who want a reliable tool that can handle different materials. Skip this if you need a heavy-duty machine for professional work, but at this price point, it's a steal. Alright, that was a solid budget option, but if you're looking for something even more compact, the next product will surprise you.
Product number 5, Bliss Thrill Mini Belt Sander Larger Version.
We have the Bliss Thrill Mini Belt Sander, a slightly larger version priced at $45.99. This caught my eye with its adjustable speeds and compact size. If you want a small, affordable sander for quick tasks, this is definitely worth a look. It also boasts a powerful motor similar to its smaller sibling, capable of 4,000 to 9,000 RPM. The adjustable speeds are perfect for different materials, and with 30 sanding belts included, you won't run out of options anytime soon. It's designed for tight spaces, making it a great addition to any workshop. Some users have noted that it's not as powerful as some larger machines, which is valid, but honestly, for small to medium projects, it does the job remarkably well without taking up too much space. This is perfect if you're short on space but still want a reliable sander for knife making. Skip this if you need something for heavy-duty work, but at under $50, it's a fantastic deal for beginners. In summary, each of these sanders brings something unique to the table, whether it's the compact Bliss Thrill options, the powerful Vivor and Gold Sand models, or the versatile Wen sander. Choose based on your specific needs and budget, and you can't go wrong.
So, to recap, we've got the compact and affordable Bliss Thrill Mini Sander, the powerful Vivor, the versatile Gold Sand, the budget-friendly Wen, and a larger version of the Bliss Thrill. Each has its strengths depending on your needs, whether you're a beginner or a more seasoned knife maker. Thanks for tuning in, and happy crafting!